Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. I'm going to show you how to do a front-facing seatbelt installation for your Marathon, Boulevard, or Advocate ClickTight convertible car seat. Remember, before you install your chair, always read the owner's manual. One installation is not the same in every car. And before we do the install, you also want to make sure that your car is parked on a flat surface, so that way you get an accurate reading on your recline option. If you look on the side of your car seat, there is a leveling device. There's actually one on both sides. And whenever you install this car seat front facing, you have to make sure that the black ball is somewhere in the green range. If you need to change the recline, there is a red trigger on the front of the chair here. If you squeeze it, you're able to adjust the tilt of the car seat. But remember, just make sure that when you set this up, the black ball is in the green. Before we can get the seatbelt through the car seat, we're going to have to release the top tether. So there's a tether anchor back here. And it's always recommended to use this whenever possible. This will help reduce forward motion if there's an accident. So my tether is in the trunk, so I'm just going to throw this in the trunk so that way it doesn't get stuck behind the car seat when I'm ready to attach it. All right. The ClickTight device is how the car seat is going to secure the seatbelt. The ClickTight button is located right on the front of the car seat. Right here, it says ClickTight. You're going to push down. The button's going to flip up. You're going to grab a hold of it, and then you're going to turn it clockwise. When you turn it all the way, that's going to open up the front of the car seat. You're going to see a blue arrow for rear facing. We can ignore that. And a green arrow for front facing. This is where our seatbelt's going to go through. So make sure the car seat's flat on the vehicle seat and right up against the back of the vehicle seat. I'm going to grab my seatbelt, and there is a wedge. There's an opening between the plastic right where the green arrow is pointing. So that is for our seatbelt to slide into. There's one side. And there's the other side. Make sure the seatbelt is not twisted or tangled. You're going to buckle in like you would on yourself normally. Now that we're buckled, we can begin to tighten it. I'm going to lean on the car seat, and I'm going to pull on the shoulder belt, not the lap belt. The lap belt is going to stay right up against the car seat. So I'm going to slowly rock the chair from side to side as I'm tightening it. I'm going to pull all the loose slack toward the shoulder belt. And the great thing is you don't have to make this so tight. When you close the ClickTight door, it's going to lock the seatbelt. So push this down. You're going to hear a clicking sound when the door locks securely. Also, the ClickTight button should not be at an angle. It should be completely straight. The way to know this is tight enough is with one hand, grab it from either side of the car seat, and you want to grab it as close to the seatbelt as possible. As long as the chair cannot slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, then you know it's tight enough. Now we can go to the trunk and we can attach the top tether. All right, so here we are in my trunk. There's a metal bar sticking out from the back of the vehicle seat, and right above it, there is a picture of a car seat to let you know that's for the top tether. If your car isn't as obvious and you're not sure which metal piece is your top tether, check your manual. You don't want to mix this up with the cargo. So here's our metal hook. When you connect it, the flat part should be facing outward. You don't want to connect it with the hook facing outward. We're just going to click it in. You want to tighten it to get rid of any slack. And there you go. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.